ladies and gentlemen, Cannon and Ball.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Pleasure to be here. Now then. What? What are you doing up there?
Start again, start again.
Now, come on. What are you messing around at? Come on. What are you doing walking down there?
Sorry, Tommy, I slipped then. I'm sorry, I'm
Once again, I thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Tommy's just thank you twice.
Thank you.
It's thank you again. Thank you.
Listen. What's that on your hand?
Sorry?
What's that on your hand?
It's my paternity ring. This is my paternity suit.
I don't mean that.
I didn't mean it either, but I got the blame for it big time. Thank you.
What are you doing with a cat on the end of your hand?
Oh, that?
Ladies and gentlemen, the cat thank you.
What about the cat?
Hey,
What about the cat?
what about it?
What are you doing with it there on the end of your arm?
Because it wouldn't fit on my foot,
Oh.
would it?
Take it off.
No, Tommy. The kids at home love it, all these little dummies and things like that.
Hey, wait a minute. We're not event act.
No, but what I thought...
Never mind, Bobby. If you wrote any new routines, you can forget it, because we're not doing them.
I know, but
Forget it, Bobby. We're a double act, right? Couple of jokes and a song, that's it.
No,
That's it, Bobby. That's how we've always done it, that's how we always will do it.
If we're not event, Tommy, why are you doing all the talking? Hey?
I'm a wonderful talker.
I know that.
I think that cat looks ridiculous.
Don't be stupid, Tommy. It's a very emotional cat. Look
Yeah.
at that. Anger, happiness, pathos, love.
They're all the same expressions.
It's not Richard Burton, it's only a rotten cat.
Is it male or female? Is it male or female?
I don't know, there's not enough of it to tell.
And what's that hanging down underneath?
I don't like to look.
I mean on the cat.
Oh, that's its tail, Tommy. That's its tail. I thought I'd put it on for a little bit of realism.
Realism? Realism? Half a cat?
Tommy, it's I want to put it on for the seasonal greetings.
Seasonal greetings? What's a cat got to do with Christmas?
Santa Claus. Cats have claws.
No.
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 Hey, Gudkin Wenslow's looked out.
What for?
We're looking for his cat.
No.
No. No. White Christmas. Irving Berlin wrote that.
So?
He had a cat.
No.
Come on, Tom, it's great, this cat. It can come on and say things like, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is nice to be here with you tonight.
Tonight?
It's a French cat. It'll say, ladies and gentlemen, this is my friend Tommy Kinnan and myself, Baby Bill.
I can see your lips moving.
Of course you can, I'm talking, aren't I?
Well, the cat's supposed to do it.
Rock on, Tommy, it's only a cat. A cat, this cat thinks, and the think comes right up my arm, up my throat, and out of me mouth.
Well, tell it to get stiffed.
Don't start, Tommy, because this cat will get annoyed in a minute, boy, if it starts.
That cat's a catastrophe.
Don't get it going, Tommy, I'll tell you now, I'll tell you if it starts.
That cat is cataclysmic.
You're asking for a face of whiskers, you Tommy. Don't you stand!
Come on, the whiskers.
Keep back. That cat comes at you, you've had it, boy.
I'm telling you this for nothing, whiskers or no whiskers. We're not going through the show with a cat stuck on the end of your hand.
Where am I going to stick it then?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet our wonderful...
You stop looking at me. You're getting on my nerves now, lady. I'll get you after you start.
Hey, what's wrong? Who is?
That woman I'm pointing at.
I can't see you pointing at anybody.
I'm pointing inside the cat.
Exactly. I mean, what are you going to do when I say, ladies and gentlemen, our guest star, Miss Lena Hall?
Well...
See what I mean? Good thinking, though. Nice try.
I know, Tom. A good, weren't it?
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Faith Brown.
Oh, I like it.
Ooh, your ex is back in town. What you gonna do when she comes around and she starts going through her act? And she begs you to take her back. Will your love for me remain intact, or will you run to her hand? Baby, my love is on the line. Baby, don't change your mind. Don't you change it. Be strong and leave the past behind. Baby, don't change your mind. Don't you change it. Don't change it. Ooh, you say you love this too. What you gonna do when she looks at you? I will exit and take my bow, 'cause I don't wanna lose you now. I'm a begging you some way, somehow. Baby, you'll stay with me. Baby, my love is on the line. Baby, don't change your mind. Don't change it. Oh, be strong and leave the past behind. Baby, don't change your mind. Don't change it. Don't change it. Don't change it. Don't change it. Baby, don't change your mind. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And now my impression of Lena Horne. Everybody's mumbo crazy, cha-cha habit, but I'm lazy. I don't dig that crazy topsy-turvy. When I trip the light fantastic, I don't want no be no gymnastic. That's not what a dancing floor is for. What I got in mind is a big improvement with the very minimum amount of movement. But the other couples push and shove. What I got in mind, I think you're gonna love.
Rock on, Lena.
Tango, tango, and there's nothing to it. You just sort of stand there and just sort of do it. Just stand close together. There's no wasted motion and no fango tango, an old-fashioned motion. The floor may be quiet, but that doesn't matter. It's not necessary to move, don't move, why move? It may be quiet, but that's all the better. It's just like romancing while there's some.
Who's dancing, Lena?
Oh, you start off with one step and cling to each other, and you know how one step can lead to another. Oh, there's nothing wrong with a waltz up and down, oh, but from a new fangled tango. Forget the fandango.
Forget the fandango.
Give up the mambo.
Give up the mambo.
Do the
tango.
Yes, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to this wonderful show.
Have you noticed new suit here, Bobby?
Well, yes, I have, Thomas.
You don't look a scruffy idiot anymore.
No, Tommy.
In fact, you look a smart idiot.
You know why? Because I wanted to be like you, Tommy. Suave, suffocating. I'll tell you this, Tommy, what I want, from now on, you see, I'm going to do like everything like you do.
Well, I mean, I don't know about that, Bobby. I mean, we've got to have some things different between us, you know. I mean, if we do everything the same, don't keep copying me.
All right, well, it's stuck with me.
Like the wallpaper sticks to the wall, like the seashore clings to the sea,
Like you'll never get rid of your shadow, Tommy, you'll never get rid of me.
let all the others fight and fuss.
Whatever happens,
We've got us. Me
we're closer than pages that stick in a book.
my
We're closer than ripples that play on a brook. Wherever you find it, you'll find me just look. Closer than a miser or a bloodhound's alive for me.
We're closer than fog when it clings to you, Kay. We're closer than others, whatever they say.
I said not a soul can bust this team in two. We stick together like glue.
And when it's sleeping time, we start to swing. Our clocks don't chime, they ring.
A ding ding, happy Christmas. And now to repeat what I said at the start. Nadine and Arch grow apart and tear us apart. Cause we're alone but far from blue. Yeah! Before we are finished, we'll make the place roar. We'll hit all the late spots and then a few more. We'll wind up together right after the show. Life is gonna be for my Mr. Shadow and me. All right. And then a few more. We wind up together right after the show. Life is gonna be wowee. Oh, my Mr. Shadow and me.
Fantastic, then.
You were absolutely...
See me going?
That was fantastic.
Oh, marvellous.
Get off.
I knew it like it.
A song in keeping with the festive season, sung by me. And of course, accompanied by my little compadre, Mr. Bobby Bob. On trumpet. On a trumpet shaped like a guitar. Where's the trumpet?
You what?
Where's the trumpet?
You smashed it last time, didn't you, Tom?
Why are you talking like that?
You rotten started it, didn't you? Do you remember? You had one of your tantrums. You smashed me trumpet.
I don't have tantrums anymore.
You little liar.
You little liar! You little liar, Tommy! Don't you lie to me, and you'll end up smashing this, you little liar. Tommy.
I just said to you I don't have tantrums. I'm now cool, calm, collected.
That'll do for me, cocker. Anytime you're ready, Tommy, love.
Okay. I want it in A flat.
So do I, Tommy, but I can't get it these days.
I'm referring to the key. I mean, it's pointless you playing it in one key and me singing it in another.
Correct, Tommy. Correct. Just pick any key you want. Any key. I've got millions on here.
Shut your mouth, Craig!
Sorry.
I'm trying to pitch in.
Okay, sorry.
Hold it. Tell him what to do. Start at the top and work your way down.
I usually do.
I know. When you get to the right key, I'll stop you. Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready. Oh, come on.
Sorry,
Slip
Tommy.
past me.
I know, Tommy. I know. The archipelago, I know.
Try again.
Okay, I'll go from the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
I'm getting excited. I know it's good, Tommy. I know it's
Look, I'll
good.
tell you what we'll do. Just one more try.
Okay.
I've got it.
Just play it. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Blink, 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 blink.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Blink, 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 blink.
Da-da-da-dee.
Blink, 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 blink. Blink, 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 blink. Blink, 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 blink.
Merry Christmas, it is. You sing Merry Christmas now.
Blink, 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 blink.
You play that very well.
I know that, Tommy. Back in Oldham, I'm known as Fingers Ball. Surprising what I can do with my fingers.
You're surprised what I can do with my fingers, and I only need 2.
How do you mean by that, Cocker?
Now, give me an arpeggio.
Why, have you got a dick?
An arpeggio.
Audio? No problems, Tommy.
Blink, 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 blink. Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink.
A minute.
Blink, blink, blink. Blink, 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 blink. Blink, blink. Blink, blink.
Fantastic.
I know that, Tommy. I have a natural ear for music.
I've also got a natural mouth for it.
What do you mean?
Now play it again.
Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink.
Listen, you.
What's up, Tom?
There's no strings on that guitar.
You've noticed.
Notice all you're doing is plinking and flunking. And it sounds plunking ridiculous.
You know this, Tommy. I'm the finest plunker in England. It took miles to watch my plinking.
Well, I'll tell you now. I'm going to get myself a proper player.
Don't be stupid, Tommy. I'm the best there is. I'm the fastest mouth in the business.
Listen, if I'm going to sing this song, right? I'm doing this song, what? I'm doing the song the way I want.
Hang on, Tommy.
What?
There's somebody getting very cocky over here with a frown. Blink. Tommy, don't worry, Tommy, don't worry.
Come on, underwhelming. My boy.
Don't start with me, boy.
Come on.
And you shut up now.
Sure, sit out front.
Correct. I'm going it big here, Tom.
Okay, go on. What do you mean you're depressed?
Because I thought my mouth had fastened his fingers.
I mean, why don't you try playing it with your feet?
How do you do that?
I'll show you. Blink.
I knew you'd smash it. Just knew you would.
I know. But this time, I remained cool, calm, and collected.
You just put weight on, haven't you? Really, Bossy?
That's not Shirley Bassey, it's the Char-lettes Union.
Hello, girls.
Hey, man,
What's up, love?
what is that supposed to be, man?
That's my guitar.
That is no guitar, brother. That is a mess.
No, wait. It used to be a guitar, and we've just done something, and he's gone and smashed it.
And who's going to clean up that mess?
You're gonna clean up that mess. Huh? What do you mean,
We do not do messes after 5 o'clock. We finish with messes at 5.
Dear?
And after that,
What?
we start messing around.
Hi.
But wait a minute, there's
A
been a
little
slight
tinker.
accident, see? Because I've accidentally stomped on it.
Well, quit stomping! If there's any more stomping around here, we'll do it. 'Cause we, the Char-lettes, can stomp.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Them girls.
See what I mean, Tommy? I wanted to do this with them, stomp around with
So
them.
do it.
No, I can't, can I?
Why?
Because I fetched, look at it. I fetched it on me from Manchester, this, and I got wet through.
What do you mean?
It were raining. Gentlemen, for something better. We have tonight, we present a dramatic reading by my friend and compatriot, Mr. Tommy Cannon, who has learned to read, especially for tonight.
I give you, because I don't want him. Tommy, come on.
Say you're fantastic when you read, Tommy.
They say that, do they?
They do.
Who are these there?
These are them. That's who they are.
And they think I'm great.
They do, Tommy.
Well, I'm not.
You what?
I'm not.
What do they know?
I mean, I'm just, you know, I'm not great.
No, I think you
I'm
are.
good. I mean, in fact, I'm very, very good.
No, I think you're great.
No, that's the trouble with you, Bobby. You
What,
see.
Tom?
You use that word great too often, don't you?
Do I?
You call everybody great. Eh? You call me great. I mean, I'm not great, am I?
Oh,
Eh? What about all the really great men of the past who made our history? Ladies and gentlemen, a short tribute to the men who made our history, the great men who gave us our pride and our traditions. Robin Hood.
Robin Hood.
Robin Hood was the people's hero, the man who stood for justice and fair play in the days of depression and persecution. One man stood above all others as the champion of the underprivileged.
The great Robin Hood.
Who robbed the rich and gave to the poor and brought happiness to those who'd known naught but suffering.
Suffering. Not but suffering. Suffering but not. Not suffering. Suffering not. Chelsea won. Who gave to the poor and gave to the rich. And then he stole off the rich and gave to the poor. So that the poor were rich and the rich were poor. So he robbed them. Robin Hood was the Chancellor of the Exchequer.
He was a great man.
A great man who had green tights on and long hair. And he lived in the forest. Robin Hood was a weirdo.
Sir Winston Churchill.
Winston Churchill.
A great orator. A man who inspired his country, who saved us in our hour of need.
Yes. No. Yes. Who saved us in our hour. In our hour. Who saved us in our hour. Our hour of need. WC built the first public toilet.
Correct. Winston Churchill inspired us. He took us through our darkest hour. His words gave us strength. We shall fight on the beaches, said Sir Winston. Never was so much, owed by so many to so few.
So few was never owed to so many. So many never had so much few. He said, we shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the beaches. Winston Churchill was the first skinhead. Who was named after a pub in Barnsley. Who went out and stuck a telescope in his eye and said, England expects, England expects. Lloyd Nelson was the first gynecologist.
Richard Curdy Lyon, a man.
Yes, indeed, him as well. The Crusades. In the jungle.
In the jungle?
Yes, he stuck a telescope in his eye and said, clear, a lion. That was Richard in, who left his wife at home wearing a Chesterfield belt.
Chastity belt. That was an ancient contraption for keeping women pure and faithful.
There's a lot like that in Chesterfield. And I'll tell you somebody else. Captain Cook, the great seaman who invented Australia. Everyone was saying, where's Australia? And who should come along? Only Captain Cook with Peter Pan.
Peter Pan?
Yes, Peter Pan, who invented the cricket while finding out the world was round.
It was Columbus.
Yes, Columbus. Columbus. These were the great men. Columbus, Richard the Lionheart, Churchill, and Alf Higginbottom.
Alf Higginbottom?
The great Alf Higginbottom.
Who the hell's Alf Higginbottom?
He played darts with the Lord Nelson. 180! I know that, Tommy.
Do you want to do the closing song?
I'd love to do, but who's going to play it?
I'll tell you who's going to play it. Ladies and gentlemen, Alyn Ainsworth and his wonderful orchestra.
Fantastic. Take it away, Al. Tommy, just nudge me when to come in.
Leave it with me.
Okay, just nudge me, Tom.
Laugh me a laugh, grin me a grin.
Just nudge me, I'll come in.
And then I know that we can win.
Just nudge me.
Dance me a dance.
Nudge me.
Joke me a joke.
I'm waiting.
I'll blow the clouds away.
Just nudge me now.
Play me a tune, sing me a song, and we can help push life along. Just you and me, come on and see. Together we'll be okay. Sing.
Rock on, Tommy, dance to a tune that there's a guitar string.
Sing it a thing.
Rock on, Tommy, come on and spread your wings.
Follow me through into the sun, and we can smile at everyone. You gotta join in with me, then we are free. It isn't hard to do. I said life is a song, so just sing along, and then we know we can't go wrong. Just you and me, come on and sing. Together we'll be okay. Together we'll be okay. Together we'll be okay. Good night and Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye.